Today, I will teach everyone saxophone fingerings in one class. Sax scale practice. You can see a one-octave saxophone fingering diagram for do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do on the blackboard. What you need to master here is solid black notes mean the keys you need to press with your fingers. Now, take the second re for example, the long key isn't shaded. That means you don't press this key and so on. We play the saxophone fingerings. It is perfect for beginners because it helps absolute beginners remember the note sequence. It guides you to place each finger one by one to form a scale practice. Now, you can also see the scale practice in the second row here.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
First, we will master this scale practice. We can sing along with the sheet music. Now, what does this short line mean?
It is one note held for 2 beats. Here, C is the key note. What is this? It is a key signature. It tells us we need to set the electronic wind instrument to C key for this scale.
Now, what does 四分之二 mean? A quarter note gets 1 beat and 2 beats per measure. I'll demonstrate the saxophone fingerings for you using the great AP500 in my hand. First, let us take a look at how to operate this electronic wind instrument. Place your left hand on the middle of the octave roller. Then press the 3 circular keys on the upper left with your left hand. Then press the 3 circular keys on the lower right with your right hand. Use your pinky finger to press the longest bar-shaped key. This is the middle range do using the saxophone fingering. Next, let me demonstrate for you. Right now, lift your pinky finger from the key on the basis of playing do. And so on. Now you can see this is me. Your right hand will be pressing the 2 black keys. Then lift one more finger and do this one by one. Next, let me demonstrate for you. Okay, now sol. Similarly, lift your index finger from the key used for playing fa. You can also see the 3 black circles for the left hand on the blackboard.
How?
Next up is la. Similarly, lift one more finger on the basis of playing sol. Next is C. You can see there is only 1 black circle left now. Similarly, lift one more finger on the basis of playing la, just like we did before. And finally, here is do. Everyone needs to pay attention. For this do, we need to switch one finger. Lift the finger for C.
Press down with your left middle finger.
This is do. It is quite challenging to play. Now, we need to pay attention here. We have to switch one finger. So, press the keys like this. Next, everyone, let me walk you through these musical notes. And we have learned how to press the keys. Now you can move on to the second step of our practice scale exercises. Let us take a look at this scale exercise. First, you can see the first row. It is a stepwise ascending scale that goes upward.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
Do we only work up here? We also work down here. So this scale combines both ascending and descending movements. It also helps fellow wind players practice finger dexterity. Now, if we look at the second row, we can see the notes follow a descending trend.
Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
It is not enough for you just to recognize the musical notes. Each note in this scale exercise lasts for 2 beats. Now everyone, please pay attention here. When we play the scale, we need to start each note with an attack. We're going to play legato notes. Let me demonstrate this scale exercise for you.